Yo, what's going on, beautiful people? I'm the Revive King, and you are in the lab with New Life Kicks. Today we got a pair of Air Jordan 20s, the 05 release, and we're about to bring them back to life. Come learn how to clean them the new way. Yo, these Air Jordan 20s are nearly 20 years old, but they're far from beat. Our main areas of focus is going to be the slight oxidation on the patent leather, the faded black toe cap, and then the faded black suede panel that you see here on the back. Let's clean them up. Here are some tools that we're going to need for the job. The new sole brush, the new eraser sponge, the new nylon scrub, the NuAntidote of course, distilled water, a super soft nylon brush, Just Suede, a new dual-sided eraser, a silk bristle brush, a nylon bristle brush, a 4-way crepe brush, and a lot of microfiber towels. The right shoe tends to get more dirty, so we're going to clean the right shoe first. If you have suede uppers, make sure you wrap the sneakers to protect them. The NuAntidote, a sole brush, and some water will knock out a lot of the heavy dirt. Take your time and remove as much dirt as you possibly can. The new eraser sponge is great for super close cleans on flat surfaces of the soles. Make sure you rinse completely before placing under UV light. Moving on to the uppers, let's start by dry cleaning this nubuck toe cap just in case it gets wet. We're going to use our dual-sided eraser and our 4-way crepe brush to do the job. And as you can see, I wet the suede with a little bit of liquid that was on my gloves. Don't panic, it'll dry up, it'll be all good. Now we're going to clean the eyelets with precision using our O sponge and nylon scrub. No need to soak the entire shoe. Simply spray the tool or area you're cleaning, agitate it a little bit, and use the high pressured air compressor to blow out any dirty water, debris, or solution left behind. Let's give the midsole some attention. This new eraser sponge will easily take care of that, removing any dirt on the flat surfaces. If you need to get inside detailed crevices, the sole brush will be a great tool for that. Now let's finish up by cleaning the nubuck. Since we've already dry cleaned it, all we need to do is coat it with the Just Suede and blow it out with the compressor and allow it to air dry. While we're at it, we're going to completely rinse the shoe with distilled water. Now that we're done with the cleaning, I'm going to go place the sneaker inside of my UV box just like this. And just like that, after one 48-hour session, you can see an all-around difference. The dirt and discoloration was removed using UV light and the NuAntidote. Comment what you want to know or what you want to see us clean next. New shoe elements are the future of sneaker care. Evolve the way that you maintain your kicks using new shoe elements. New life is shoe life.